لا يسمعون حسيسها وهم فيما اشتهت أنفسهم خالدون لا يحزنهم الفزع الأكبر وتتلقاهم الملائكة هذا يومكم الذي كنتم توعدون يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين ولقد كتبنا في الزبور من بعد الذكر أن الأرض يرثها عبادي الصالحون إن في هذا لبلاغا لقوم عابدين وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين قل إنما يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فهل أنتم مسلمون فإن تولوا فقل آذنتكم على سواء وإن أدري أقريب أم بعيد ما توعدون إنه يعلم الجهر من القول ويعلم ما تكتمون وإن أدري لعله فتنة لكم ومتاع إلى حين قال رب احكم بالحق وربنا الرحمن المستعان على ما تصفون.
II app for free on iOS and Android. Dubai Eye News
in association with Do.
On FM, online, via the Dubai Eye app and on OSN channel 336. This is Dubai Eye News.
Good morning from the ARN News Centre. I'm Serena Kelly. France has thanked the UAE for supporting the G5 Sahel Joint Force, a UN-backed initiative to combat terrorism and organised crime in 5 African nations. This came during a phone call between His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Deputy Supreme Commander of the UAE Armed Forces, and French President Emmanuel Macron. The two leaders discussed ways to strengthen bilateral ties and also reviewed the latest developments in the region. Meanwhile, the UAE Cabinet has approved more than 7,000 housing units to be built for Emiratis, costing over 7 billion dirhams. The homes will be delivered by 2021. Internationally, a vessel carrying 22 Indian crew and over 13,000 tons of gasoline has gone missing in the Gulf of Guinea. According to officials, contact was lost with the ship in Benin on Friday. The area is known to be a target for pirates. Elsewhere, following talks with senior members of his ANC party, South Africa's President Jacob Zuma is under mounting pressure to step down. The Premier is facing allegations of corruption and was replaced by Deputy President Cyril Ramaphosa in December. Party leaders are set to gather for an emergency meeting today.
Here's the latest from the Sports Desk in association with Rivoli.
Football, Barcelona maintained their unbeaten run in La Liga following a 1-1 draw with Espanyol last night. Gerard Piqué headed home a late equaliser to rescue a point for Barca, who haven't lost in 22 league games this season. Elsewhere, second-place Atletico Madrid edged out third-place Valencia 1-0. Meanwhile, Liverpool and Tottenham both left Anfield with a point after a dramatic 2-2 draw in the Premier League.